Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is your favorite tech savvy Okemutefole NS. So guys, in today's video I have good gist for you guys. Like, I have something really amazing to teach you, so please make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? And I also have a gift for somebody on this particular video. All right, so now let's get started. So we'll go ahead with this particular video. I want you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Like this video so that YouTube will get to show it to more persons, and also make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for returning back to this channel. Okay, so I'm really excited because what I'm about to share with you is going to blow your mind. Like, it's really going to blow your mind. Now, if I'm charged for this particular information I want to give to you, I won't feel bad, I won't feel terrible, I won't feel any kind of way, because trust me, a lot of persons have paid money to learn the same, but here I am trying to show you how to get this same thing for free. So that's why you need to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. And like I said, somebody is going to win a gift from me right in this video if you watch to the end. Okay, just one person, and I don't know if that person could be you that is listening to me right now. Okay, so let's get started. So let me show you what I want to teach you how to achieve today. Okay, so right now let's move on. Okay, so here is what I want to show you guys how to create. So take a look at my screen. I'm going to show you how to create something of this nature. All right, something like this. I'm going to show you how to create all of this. You can see on my screen right now, I'm just scrolling. I'm going to show you how to generate these images, how to add a conversation, anything at all you want to add to these particular images. I'm going to show you how to get them for free and how to add those conversation chats and all of that. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So have some here. Okay, just as you can see right here, this is a particular carousel. I kind of use it on my Instagram page as a carousel to talk about my upcoming course on the 6th of November 2023, where I get to teach people how to build websites without writing any lines of code. So if you're someone who is interested, you can as well join that particular training. It's 20,000 naira. Okay, it's kicking off on the 6th of November, and we already have a lot of persons who have signed up for that training. You should not miss it though. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to create all of this all by yourself. All this all by yourself. So I'm going to show you the application at the end of this video because I want you to concentrate. I want you to learn how to do it. I don't want you to leave a comment in the comment section asking me, how do I do it? How do I do this? How do I create it? No, I want you to watch to the end where I'm going to tell you the name of the application that I used. Okay, so even if you figure it out, no problem, but I'm going to tell you the name of the application at the end of this video. So let's go ahead. So as you can see on my screen, when you get to this application, all you need to do is to write your prompt. Your prompt simply means what you want the AI to do for you. Okay, what do you want this AI to do for you? So right here, I'm going to put in my description what I want the AI to generate for me. Okay, so right now I'm going to search for, let's say, okay, so this is my prompt. I've already added my prompt, whatever I want the AI to generate for me. I've added it here. So you have to make sure that you don't use words that the AI is going to find very offensive. Okay, so right now I'm going to say create. So it's creating my images for me now. So all you need to do is to wait for it to finish generating the images. It might not really take so much time, so I'll just pause this video to see. Okay, great. So you can see on my screen now, this is the image that it generated for me. So sometimes it can generate more than one images. It could be 2 images, it could be 3, it could be 4, and so on and so forth. So right now you can see here it has generated just one image for me. So I just click on the image and I'm going to say download. Okay, so on occasions where it generates more than one images for you, that's fine, that's amazing. So depends on what you want to use it for. So I can go back now and say I can say generate different images of African man and woman discussing walking along the road. Okay, so I'll say create again because I want to add another image for us. So you see that sometimes it can generate more than one images for you. All right, so guys, can you see this on my screen right now? So this particular prompt I asked for, it generated 2 images for me. So all I'm going to do is to click on the image and download them. Okay, so here I click on this more button you're seeing here, this 3-dot icon, and I'm going to download it. So it's downloading to my device. Okay, and the amazing part of this particular application is that it doesn't have their logos on the pictures that they are generating for you. Okay, there is no sign of promoting their application and all that. It's not there. Okay, so that's how it is. That's the amazing part of it. So right now I've generated my images. So the next thing I want to do is to head over to my Canva application. So this particular application is what helps you to generate your images, while your Canva application is what is going to help you to add caption to your images. Okay, so let me show you how to use Canva to add caption to your images. Now let's go there. So guys, as you can see right here, these are some of the images that I've added captions to, like a conversation to before now. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a new page. As usual, I'm going to my plus sign and I head over to my uploads. I'm going to upload the images that I've downloaded now. So I go to upload files, go to my device, and I'll select these images I just downloaded right now that I would love to use for this particular comic design. Okay, so I go to files and I'm going to look for the pictures. So this is one of them, and this is one, and also this is another one. So I'm going to select and upload them. So you can see now the images are uploading right now. Okay, so when it's done uploading, the next thing I want to do is to select the one I would love to work with. So for example, let's say I want to use this. So I'm going to say I want to increase the size to fit in. All right, and then the next thing I want to do is to go to my plus sign. I'm going to head over to elements, and right here I'm going to search for chat bubbles. So search for chat bubbles, and you look for the one that you feel is okay by you, that is free to use. Okay, there's so many of them that you can use. So you can see that this is the particular one I use, this one you're seeing here. So you can decide to use something else entirely. It's all your choice. So let me say I want to use this one. Okay, I want to use this. So all you need to do is to reduce the size and even rotate it in such a way that it could fit in. All right, okay, so you can see right now. So the next thing I want to do is to go to my plus sign again, and I'm going to add text to read. So I go to add a subheading. So I'm going to type whatever it is I want to be on that particular heading, on this particular message box. Okay, I just finished typing this now, and I'm going to break it and then bring it to the middle of this text you're seeing here. Okay, now I'm going to head over to my spacing, and I'm going to adjust this, as you can see. Okay, so you can see right now, this is what this lady is saying. So what are these other guys saying? Now I'm going to duplicate this particular chat icon you're seeing here. I'm going to reduce this. So this particular guy here should be saying something like, whoa, this girl, get back. Oh, amazing, right? So I'm going to put something of that nature. Let's see. Wow. So you can see now. So what I'm going to do is to adjust it, make sure it fits very well. Okay, that's the most important thing. Make sure it's well arranged. Okay, so you can see right now. So the next thing you want to do is to add for the next person. So I'm going to take this, rotate it back like this, okay, and then adjust it to fit in such a way that you know that this is the guy who is talking now at the moment. She's the one who is talking at the moment now, right? So I'm going to say duplicate this text, and I'm going to move it to the top, and then I'm going to edit this and say so you see how I'm adjusting this thing now. That's what you should be doing as well. Adjust it very well so that it looks so perfect. Okay, so you can see that I'm done with this particular editing. So if there's any other one I want to do, all I need to do is to just have the content I know I want to use for the shot. Okay, and then I'm going to add the image and I'm good to go. So for example, I want to add another image now. I'm going to go to my uploads and then select any of the image that I just uploaded again now for this particular one. I'm going to increase the size as usual and add my text. Okay, so it's that simple. When you're done, just download that particular page. So let's say we want to download this one now. I'm going to head over to selecting my pages, and I'm going to select page 8, and I'll say download. So it's going to start downloading now. So you can download it as a JPEG or as a PNG. So remember I said I have a gift for somebody. So if you're someone who watched this video to this particular stage, I want you to tell me the emoji that is showing here. If you got it correctly, then I have a gift for you. If you got it correctly, I'm going to be checking the comment section and I'm going to reach out to you. So please make sure you always check back to this particular video for those who watched it to this particular stage. If you watched it to this particular stage and you were able to get the first emoji, then you are going to leave a comment in the comment section of this particular video. I have a gift for you. So that's how to create something like this. So what's the application that I use to create these images and also be able to add my shots? The shots now, I use Canva to start the conversation and all that, and I also downloaded the whole of the design. So how was I able to get these images? Now let me show you the application that I use. So the application is on Google Play Store. I don't know about iOS users, so but you can just check your Apple Store and see if you're going to see this application. So the application is called Bing AI. Bing AI. So just go to Play Store and search for Bing, and you're going to see this is the application. Okay, download it and you're going to have access to it. Create your account. Once you log into the application, you're going to create an account. So as you can see here, I already have an account. Okay, so make sure you have an account, else you will not be able to create your images. Okay, it's actually a Microsoft powered application, so you have to create an account when using it. So that's how to create something of this nature. So let's see what we've downloaded and see how amazing it looks. So you can see here it looks so real. If I use this thing on any design, any book cover or any magazine whatsoever, it's going to look so perfect, because you're not going to tell me, there's no way you're going to have issues, copyright issues with anybody, because it was actually generated by AI. It's not image that somebody has used before now. No, you generated these images using AI, so there is nothing like copyright issues. Okay, so guys, if you watch this video to this particular stage, do not forget to subscribe, like this video so that YouTube gets you to more persons, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you guys, bye.